In this video, I want to speak about what I believe are the 3 secrets to success when running a business. So, let's dive in. Hello everyone. In this video today, I'm going to be speaking about the 3 secrets to success when it comes to running your business. So the first one that I have for you is consistency. Consistency with your words, consistency with your actions, consistency with your thoughts, consistency with your energy. Consistency across the board in how you act in your business and, in all honesty, in your personal life as well, because these things are not separate. They are all linked to form our entire life. So for me, consistency is incredibly important because consistency helps show that we are true to our word, that we are doing what we say we're going to do, and that we can be relied on, i.e. that we are trustworthy in our business as a business owner, as a service or product provider, and as an individual as well. Now, some people can confuse consistency with relentlessness. These things are different. Being relentless is not the same as being consistent. Consistent is doing what you say you're going to do, showing up when you say you're going to show up, providing the level of service at the level of service that you say you're going to do. These things play into consistency. And it's the same when it comes to producing your content on social media. You can be consistent in delivering a video a month. That is consistent. If you say you're going to do a video a month and you do a video a month, that is consistency. It's not doing one every day or 4 times a day for the next 3 weeks and then stopping. That is relentlessness. That is stop and start. That is not what breeds trust in your business, in your product, and in your services with your customers, clients, and prospects. Consistency helps grow trust for you and what you offer. So that is my number 1 when it comes to the secrets of success is consistency. My number 2 is clarity. Clarity around what you want for your business and you want it to achieve. Clarity around how you help your customers and clients. Clarity around your pricing and your pricing model and the prices that you quote. Clarity around how you deal with team members. Clarity around all aspects of your business. Sitting down and making sure that you are really clear on how your business works, what it stands for, what its values are, and how you are going to show up as a business owner every day. If you are clear on these things, if you are clear on how you help and serve your customers and clients, if you are clear on what they need and want, and you're showing up consistently to do those things, then that breeds success in your business as well. And the third thing that I believe is a secret to success in business is cash. Cash is king after all. It's all very well having incredible revenue, but if you have no cash, if you have no profitability, then there's no point in having incredible revenue. The reason that so many businesses fail is that they run out of cash. So making sure you are on top of cash and cash management in your business is a sure way to ensure that you do not run out of cash, that you don't become one of those statistics. So making sure that you have a robust cash management strategy in place, for example, the one that is taught in the Profit First book by Mike Michalowicz, this book here, if you have a robust cash management strategy in place, then that means that you are able to appropriately manage the cash for your business, whatever stage your business is in. So those are my 3 secrets to success in running a business. 1, consistency. 2, clarity. And 3, cash. I firmly believe with all of those three things in place, you can take your business to whatever level it is that is success for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are tuning in on YouTube, do make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so you know next time a video is uploaded. If you're listening